morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all having a wonderful day. In today's video I am going to show you something really exciting. Actually, I have been excited about this video all week and I couldn't wait to film this video because I have partnered with an amazing brand called Rose Skin Co. They very kindly sent me one of their at-home IPL machines, and that's what I'm gonna show you today, and I'm gonna show you how this machine works. We're gonna do an unboxing together. So if you are ready, keep on watching. So those of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I make videos mainly about skincare, some videos about health and fitness. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So this is the IPL machine I have received from Rose Skin Co. Look at how beautiful this box is. Before the pandemic hit, I was used to get a regular IPL done under my arms and on my legs. But since the pandemic started and the skin clinics have been closed, all my appointments have been all over the shop. I have attended few appointments, then I have missed more appointments than I have attended. It just been all over the place. So when Rose Skin Co contacted me and asked me if I would like to use and review their at-home IPL machine, I was like, oh yes, oh god yes. So look at the beautiful box this machine comes in, and if we open the box, you will see these two little cards. The first one is the user guide. It tells you how to operate this machine step by step. And the second card over here is they have got their social media details and some tips on how to record your progress. So these are the two cards you will receive. And then you get this beautiful IPL machine here. I'll show you. It's like absolutely stunning. I love a rose gold color. That's my favorite. So that's how this IPL machine looks like. So beautiful, isn't it? I'm a sucker of rose gold color. So that's the little machine. So if you look here, there is a little port here where you can plug this bit in like this, and this big button here, it's a pulse button. So when you do IPL, when you perform IPL, you press on that button. So this is the headpiece where the light comes from or the energy comes from. So when you perform IPL, you have to sit this headpiece flush with your skin like this, and then press on that button. Like I'm gonna plug it and show you. So that you have to press this button on and then just keep moving like this. Then you see this little bit here. So this bit shows you the intensity. So the intensity goes from 1 to 5. So you can be on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Rose Skin Co advises that you start at level 1 and then slowly, when your skin becomes accustomed to the heat, you can increase your levels. I am telling you honestly, you will not burn yourself. You won't burn yourself with level 1. You won't burn yourself with level 5. This is a really safe machine. So over here you will see the intensity. And then if you look at the back, this one here is their on and off button. So I'm gonna plug this machine and I'm gonna show you how this machine works. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. This is just so beautiful. So I also received this body lotion from Rose Skin Co. It has got coconut and aloe vera in it, and it helps to moisturize your skin, to hydrate your skin, and to soothe your skin. So we're gonna unbox this as well. Oh my god, look at the generous size of this body lotion. This is really big. And coconut and aloe vera, they are really calming, they are really soothing, and they are really hydrating. Let's see how it smells like. Oh my god, it smells really good. I can feel some sort of floral fragrance in it. So beautiful, generous size body lotion as well. So now I'm gonna plug the IPL machine and I'm gonna show you how the IPL machine works. So I have just plugged in this IPL machine and you can see there is a green light flashing here. When I press on this green light, it will start making a noise like a fan, and then you will know that machine is ready to use. But before we use the machine, I just want to read out a couple of precautions. So as per Rose Skin Co, do not use this machine in or around water. Do not use this machine if you are under 16 years of age. Do not use this machine if you are pregnant. Do not use this machine if you have got photosensitivity or photosensitive epilepsy. Do not use this machine on tattoos, and do not use this machine if your skin is broken or burnt already. And do not use this machine on the same area more than once per session. And please, if you are going to use this machine on your face, you have to stay below the cheekbones, never go above the cheekbones. So this is your cheekbone here. If you are using this machine on your face, always stay below the cheekbones. So these are some of the precautions. And another thing I would like to add here is, when you get the IPL done professionally, the person who performs the IPL, they wear goggles, and they make you wear goggles as well because of the high intensity of light coming through those industrial IPL machines. But this machine is really safe. You don't have to wear any goggles with this. Just there's no need to stress about it. This is really safe machine. So I am going to use this machine now and show you how it works. So this is the green button. I'm going to press this green button, and when I'll press this green button, it will start making a sound like a fan. Sorry. Yeah, now can you hear it? It's like it started like a fan. So now if you see here, I am on intensity 1. If I want to increase intensity, I'm gonna press this green button here, and I'm gonna go to intensity 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the maximum intensity, but because I'm doing it for the first time, I'm gonna go back to intensity 1. Sorry, and I have to go back. Okay, so now I am at intensity 1, and let's start. So another thing I would like to mention here is, before you perform your IPL, you have to shave the area you are going to perform IPL on. The reason is, if you perform IPL on an area where there is already really thick hair, and when the hairs burn and you hear that sizzling noise of burning hair, it's actually quite toxic, because the burnt hair releases the fumes which called plume, and it's actually quite toxic for your health. So that's why whenever you go to get IPL done, they always say that you have to shave the area you are getting treated. So now our machine is ready, and I'm gonna sit flush on my skin, say like this, and I'm gonna press this button here, and you will see a light coming out. 1, 2, and I'll just like slightly keep moving. As you can see, I don't go like this. I still cover the half of the area which I have covered before. So say, and then I'm gonna keep going like this. So you can see it's quite simple to use. It's not complicated at all. So you can enjoy the benefits of IPL just in the comfort of your own home. So another thing actually I would like to mention here is, when you fire the shots, you actually want to see the light coming. So if I am doing it like here and I press this button here, you can see the light. That means the shot has been fired. And again. Okay, so just in case if you are not seeing the light coming, there's nothing wrong with the machine. It's just machine needs time in between to cool down. So it actually happens with the industrial machines as well. As I am a certified laser technician, I can operate any type of laser machine. I can do all sorts of laser treatments. I have done facial rejuvenation, I have done tattoo removal, I have done hair removal, I have done all sorts of treatments with the big monster lasers. So when you don't see the light flashing on your skin, it just machine is taking time to cool down. So when machine is ready again and you will press that pulse button, you will see the light. So when you actually see the light, that means the shot has been fired. But when you click the button but there is no light, that means the shot has not been fired. I thought I'll just let you know that. So there is actually another way I want to show you. Now we have learned how to do the pulse by clicking this button, and then there is another mode which called glide, where you can glide over the larger areas like legs and arms. So I'm gonna press this button until these sensors start flashing. Yeah, you can see now the sensors over here are flashing. So I'm gonna hold this button down and glide. Can you see? So that's another mode you can use. You can either do pulse or either you can use the glide mode over the larger area, so you can get them done quickly. How beautiful this machine is. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. You can get the IPL benefits at the comfort of your own home. You don't have to wear a mask. You don't have to look for a parking. You just don't have to step out of your home from the comfort of your home, and you can get your IPL done at home. Such a beautiful device. Oh my god, I think everybody should buy one of these and start doing the hair removal at home. So that's all about today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and hope you learned about this beautiful at-home IPL machine. I just want to mention here is this IPL machine, it was used to be $400, and I think because of the end of financial year sales, this IPL machine is now $177. So the prices have dropped down a lot. I would suggest you guys to jump on Rose Skin Co website and grab yourself this at-home IPL machine. This is amazing. This is such a beautiful device. You don't have to worry about anything. It's quite safe. You don't have to step outside your home. You don't have to worry about being in a lockdown and not being able to make your appointment. Such a great price. Like from $400, it's now at $177. Actually, I'll be buying one for my sister for her birthday. I hope she doesn't watch my video. So yeah, such a beautiful Christmas gift or a birthday gift as well. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press on the notification bell so you will always get a notification when I upload a new video. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.